Let's take a look at this problem. I want to graph this inequality in two variables. We got 4x minus y is less than or equal to 2. Now, in order to graph a linear inequality in two variables in your calculator, you have to have y by itself. So we're going to work at getting it by itself. First thing I'm going to do is take the 4x to the right side. When you take anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes. So the positive 4x becomes a negative 4x. Now, we want to divide by the number in front of our y. This is invisible 1, so we're going to divide everything by negative 1. Now remember, when you divide everything by a negative number, you flip the inequality symbol. So this less than or equal to becomes a greater than or equal to. So we end up with y is greater than or equal to 4x minus 2. Now, we got y by itself on the left side. That's important because it won't match the tables I gave you in class if you don't have the y on the left side. Now remember, greater than or equal to means a upper right hand triangle. So we've got an upper right hand triangle. If you have a less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that means it's a solid line. Now, if this had been a less than or equal to, we would have had a lower left hand triangle. If this had been a less than or greater than, we would have had a dotted line. Well, let's go graph this now. So I'm going to press my y equals, I'll press clear. For most of you, that'll clear out this over here on the far left, assuming you have something there. Mine didn't. So I'm going to left arrow over, and I'm going to press enter until I get it back to the slash. There we go. Like I say, most T83s, T84s will automatically reset that. You don't have to do that. Okay, so we got 4x minus 2. So 4x minus 2. And then we want to go clear to the left. You can't go too many times. You want to put your flashing cursor on this first slash. Now we said we want an upper right hand triangle. So we're going to press our enter twice. Once makes it a thick line, and one more time makes it an upper right hand triangle. Now once you get that, you press graph. And this is almost your answer. The only thing it doesn't tell you is what is the line that separates the shaded from the non-shaded region. We already said it's a solid line. So we're going to have a solid line right there. And then I'm going to shade that side. And that would be your answer. Now, sometimes instructors, I don't know where they get this at, they tell students that if it's a greater than or greater than or equal to, shade to the right. If it's a less than or equal to, shade to the left. Obviously, that's incorrect. There is a way of explaining it if you're doing it by hand, but it's not the way that a lot of instructors say. Calculator, don't have to worry about that. It just gives you the answer.